Hey cool kids, Mr. Steve here. And as you probably remember from last year, or some of you guys know, I love doing pour paintings where you mix paint together, and I like to usually put them in a cup and you flip the cup over, and it's called a flip cup pour. It's a whole thing, and I've been doing them for a long time. Well, there is a website called acrylicpouring.com, and they actually have asked me to make videos to show people how to do it. So I've been doing that for about 2 years now. And I just wanted to share one of those videos with you today. It's the one that just came out this last weekend. And what the video is going to show you and other people how to do is, remember when I taught you guys how to make these groovy, cool pour paintings? Well, like I said, I've been doing these for a good 2 years now, so I have figured out a few tricks. And one of my favorite things to do now is to use a pour painting and manipulate it, work it a little bit more to turn it into a landscape. So this is the kind of stuff I've been doing. Check that out. I just love these. That entire sky, this whole area up here was a pour paint, but then I did what's called a swipe over it. The green area down here, I swiped, which means I dragged all these colors across, and then I added these little islands in the middle using like paint brushes and forks and little stuff like that. So I have been turning pour paintings into landscape paintings. So let me just show you a couple of these that I've been working on, which are kind of cool, like that one. Here's another one that looks kind of like it might be out in the Florida Keys, maybe. Yeah, out on the ocean somewhere where you see some little islands in the distance. And this is the one I actually, in the actual video that you're about to see, I show people how to make, pretty sure it's this one, this video here. Check that out. How we're gonna turn a regular pour into a landscape. And in the video, one of the things that's really cool, do you see this little area right in here? To me, that looks kind of like a big eye, just generally speaking. But that spot right there, once it forms in the video, it stays there the whole time. So you can see that this really was the same painting. There was no trickery involved. But I show you how to turn a pour painting into a landscape painting. So I hope you guys enjoy it. It's something a little different than what we've been doing the last few weeks, but I just thought you'd get a kick out of seeing me in one of my real videos that are out there for the rest of the world to see. All right, you guys, so stand by. That video will come up in just a second. Actually, I'll put it just below here where you can click on it. And as always, thanks for watching. And you guys have a great day. And go draw something. Bye.